Life of a videographer.
Can we do it one more time? I believe there's enough space for everyone. I think we should have people that can help us with stage. Right? Because if I dare to song Ganesh, we love the song playing with all our heart. We're celebrating each other. We have made it this far. Are you guys ready? There's enough space for everyone, so let's just talk.